In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit products in Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, including products, orders, and customers. Once you are in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Products. This will take you to the full list of items you sell, and it is the central place for making updates. From the Products page, find the item you want to change and click directly on the product title. Clicking the title opens the Product Details page, where you can edit nearly everything customers see, as well as the settings that control how the item is sold. Near the top, you can modify the product title. Keep it clear and consistent, since it appears in your storefront and often in search results. Next, update the description. This is where you explain what the product is, what it includes, and any key details shoppers need. Use simple formatting and make the first lines especially clear, since many customers skim. You can also update the media section to manage product images or other visuals. Make sure your main image is strong, because it usually becomes the thumbnail in collections and search pages. Then review the pricing area. This is where you adjust the price and confirm it matches what you intend to charge. After you finish those main details, scroll down the page to reach the operational settings. Here you can update inventory, so your stock levels stay accurate. You can also review shipping settings, which affect how Shopify calculates shipping for that item. If your product has options like size or color, go to Variants and make the necessary adjustments there, since each variant can have its own price, SKU, and inventory. Finally, use the Product Organization sidebar to manage how the product is grouped and found. Update collections to control where it appears in your store, adjust tags to improve filtering and search, and set the product type to keep your catalog organized. When you are done, click Save. Wait for the save to complete before leaving the page, so none of your updates are lost. That covers everything you need to know.